Email marketing is one of the most powerful tools that can help you build relationships in real estate. This is because you can use emails to provide valuable guides to potential clients. But how do you get it right? Let me break it down for you. First, start with local real estate market reports. Why? Because most of your leads want relevant information that shows that you know the market. Start by reading news. And once you read this news, make sure you are able to share the updates you have using the email newsletter. When you do this, it shows you understand the market and the customers will feel confident in your ability to help them make decisions. Another thing that you can do using your email list is sharing client testimonials. Now that prospective clients already know you, they want to hear from real people who trust you. If you share success stories and positive feedback that you have received in the past, it makes the potential leads feel more comfortable working with you. Now that you are starting to build trust, how do you keep these prospects engaged? You can do that by offering free resources. With so many options out there, your leads need help in making the right decisions. And that's where providing valuable resources comes in. Whether it's providing an ebook, a checklist, or a blog post, these free offers keep your sales leads coming back. But giving them resources is just the beginning. There are several things that you have to do. First, make sure you don't overwhelm them with a lot of emails. It's always easy to get carried away. Sending too many emails will make people to unsubscribe from your list, or you will appear too spammy. But you need to find a difference now between sending too many emails and making sure that you are remaining top of mind. So how often should you contact people for you to stay on top of their mind without becoming a nuisance? My advice is make sure that you are sending an email at most once a week. And remember, make sure that you follow up on these responses to your email so that people feel that you are there for them. And here's a bonus tip. As you send emails, make sure that your emails are mobile responsive. With so many people reading emails on their phones, ensure that your emails are not hard to read on the phone. If you need help in developing an email strategy, please let us know.